as you let go identifying with out-there-ness, with positionalities, then you withdraw into witnessing. Your life becomes witnessing without, an involvement, without a committed projection of a positionality out there. They say, well, you're all going to be executed tomorrow. So you say, okay. No, it's called off. Oh, okay. No, it's going to be this afternoon. All right. When you reach that point, you know you're there. So, I mean, who cares? If it's inevitable, something that's inevitable, you can see how meaningless time is. I mean, how long it's been since you've had a migraine headache doesn't help you any when you got one. So you can see how inconsequential time is. On your deathbed, if it was 70 years, 17 years, or 7 years, what difference does it make? People cling to longevity. If you do this, you can live a little longer. They need a doctor. All right, so we get positionalized, we get brainwashed, we become enamored of concepts. And the real trap is to become enamored and place your survival on something out there. Success, good fortune, better grades, money, good looks. Any kind of an out-there-ness. Physique, your good looks, your glamour, all those things are transitory. All those things are transitory. Now, the Buddha taught that a long time ago. This is a world that's transitory. Everything comes and goes. Therefore, to get attached to anything inevitably brings suffering. Inevitably brings suffering. To become immune to suffering, then, become attached to nothing. Value everything and become attached to none of it. Value it all and become attached to none of it. None of it is special, see? One pair of pants is as good as another. She doesn't like them when they're all frazzled and have holes in them. You're not going to wear those today, are you? I say, what's wrong with them? I always say, nobody will notice it, and she always says, everybody will notice it. I got away with a frazzle one, she didn't know that. One time I said, nobody notices those things. Then I said, how many people did? And Jesus, about a third of the people raised their hand. So therefore, she's right and I was wrong. Yeah.